What is up? What is poppin'? It's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video.
Got my bricks like a chimney. Black got a stiffy. I got connection to something like Wi-Fi. Said it wrong, but you read me.
And today, your girl's gonna be going back to her natural hair videos. And today, your girl's gonna be doing a puff tutorial. Wait. But y'all should definitely follow my hair page for one-on-one videos about my hair. So go follow that. And I'm gonna show y'all how to get volume, how to get slickness, how to get everything. So before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything else you may want to see in the future, and let's get into this tutorial. The things you're gonna need to achieve this puff: a nice hard bristle brush, your favorite gel. Right now I'm using Eco, but you can use whatever gel you like. Pick and an edge brush if you choose to do your edges. You need something to tie your hair down. The rest is optional, so you can get like an edge control, or you can get like a jam. Jam does not hold. I do not recommend.
He needs some milk.
I am starting off on freaking Majiggy twists. I washed my hair yesterday and I applied a curl enhancer smoothie shea moisture, and I just did a bunch of twists on my head. I look freaking crazy right now. I look like a freaking spider, but it's okay. I'm just gonna untwist my hair first so we can see what we're working with. Because if you do, that's how you lose your definition, and you don't want to lose your definition. So I'm going to focus on the roots and try to get as much volume as possible. Once you finish picking out your hair, this is when your gel comes in. Usually the combo I would use is Murray's beeswax and edge control. What the hell? Usually the combo I would use is Eco and Murray's beeswax, but I ran out of Murray's beeswax, so the combo I'm gonna be using is Eco and this jam extra hold. But this one I don't recommend, guys, only because it doesn't hold. I'm gonna be placing the Eco all around the perimeter of my hair, and I'm also gonna make sure I target the middle right here, because that's the part you want down also. Time for you to brush, so get your hard bristle brush and start brushing. So as you can see, my hair has flattened out a little bit more, so I'm gonna pick it out before I begin to do the puff. Next, you're finna take your shoestring. I'm using a shoestring. You can use a scrunchie, whatever you want to use, but I use shoestring so I can get the big puff effect. String, you're gonna put it around your neck and you're gonna even it out, and then you're gonna pull it up slowly and put it behind your ears and you're gonna make sure it's right in the middle of your forehead, like right here. And once you do that, you're gonna tie it once like this. So now you have it here. All right, y'all got that? Okay, I'm gonna puff it out. I'm gonna pick up my hair some more so that I can get more volume. You're gonna pull the back up slowly. And once you pull it up a little so it's on your hair, you're gonna take the front. Oh my God, so many things happening at once. You're gonna take the front and start to pull it up also. And while you do that, you're gonna pull the back up with it too. Until you get your designated size. Tie it. Now I'm gonna tie it to. See, I've tied it again. I did that little knot thingy. I did it in the front. I did it, and I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna tie. You can either tie it or tuck. I'm gonna tuck. This is when the scarf come in, and I'm gonna also use a headband to tie down the front. But I'm gonna go in with my scarf and this headband and tie it so that I can make sure my hair is still slick while I'm trying to fix the shape of this puff. Y'all, so I've picked out the hair as much times as possible. I don't think it's getting any bigger than this. I'll show y'all how it looks. So this is the final look, guys. This is how you achieve a curly voluminous puff. As you can see, my puff is kind of lopsided because some sides are picked out more than the other. If you do want to, you can spice it up and do your edges, but I'm not really gonna do my edges. If I do, I'm gonna do it right on the sides right here because I want it to look like, I don't know, like just keep the natural look.
You played that boy.
That's it. This is how you achieve. Let me turn this camera around because I want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was informative. If you want to see how I achieve a twist out firstly, because that was the first step to this hairstyle to begin with, you can also comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I rock out in the show.